Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the Polar logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And as you can see, we are back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.